Unity is strength. Understanding the power of togetherness. Hello everyone, welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting and important phrase, unity is the key. This phrase holds a lot of meaning and is used in various contexts. Let's dive in and understand what it really means and how you can use it in your daily English conversations. The phrase, unity is the key, implies that working together and being united is essential to achieve any goal or overcome any challenge. It stresses the importance of teamwork and solidarity among people. The word, unity, refers to the state of being united or joined as a whole, and key, in this context means crucial or extremely important. So, when put together, the phrase suggests that being united is crucial for success. To better understand this phrase, let's look at some examples. 1. In sports, when a football coach says, "Remember, unity is the key to win this match," he emphasizes that the team needs to work together harmoniously to win. 2. In social movements, during a campaign for social justice, a leader might say, "Unity is the key to bring about the change we seek," highlighting the power of collective effort. Unity is a powerful concept and can be applied in various aspects of life. 1. In the workplace, it promotes teamwork and collaboration for better results. 2. In communities, it brings people together for common causes, promoting harmony and progress. 3. In personal relationships, it strengthens bonds and fosters understanding and support. This phrase can be used to 1. Motivate, encourage teamwork in group settings. 2. Inspire, highlight the importance of coming together for a cause. 3. Advise, suggest the need for cooperation and collaboration. We hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, unity is the key, and its significance in both English language and in life. Remember, unity not only brings strength but also fosters a sense of belonging and support. Keep practicing your English and use this phrase to inspire and motivate those around you. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.